Good morning. This is XPulse AI Morning Mix. Today is Sunday, March 29th, 2026. We're hitting a monster robotics fundraise, a new ARM data center CPU built for agentic workloads, and a quick media note on an AI documentary. I've got Orion with me. Ready?
Ready, let's do it.
Our top story, physical intelligence. Orion, what's being reported and who's in?
TechCrunch, citing Bloomberg, reported on March 27th that physical intelligence is in talks to raise about $1 billion at a valuation exceeding $11 billion. Founders Fund is set to participate. Lightspeed is also in talks, and returning backers mentioned include Thrive Capital and Lux Capital. It's early stage. Terms could change.
Before we go deeper, what does physical intelligence actually build?
They're a robotics AI startup focused on general-purpose robot brains, models and software that let robots perceive, plan, and act in the physical world. Think moving beyond single-task bots towards systems that can adapt across environments and tasks. $11 billion says investors think that generalization is close enough to bet big.
Staying with big bets, this time in infrastructure. Orion ARM has a new data center CPU called A.G.I. What's the headline?
TechRadar reported on March 27th that ARM unveiled its first in-house data center CPU, branded the A.G.I CPU, 136 cores, based on Neoverse V3. ARM says it's tuned for agentic AI infrastructure, with Meta as lead partner and co-developer, and OpenAI cited as an early client.
ARM making production silicon, not just licensing. Does that shift the chessboard?
It could. If ARM can deliver predictable performance and dense rack efficiency for long-running agent workloads, it nudges cloud builders toward ARM-built platforms, not just ARM-designed cores inside someone else's chip. Also, A.G.I, the CPU, not artificial general intelligence, though the branding is doing a lot of cardio.
And on the culture and credibility front, there's a new documentary getting attention. What did Wired say?
Wired published a review on March 27th of the AI doc, or How I Became an Apocaloptimist. They highlight on-camera interviews with Sam Altman, Dario Amodei, and Demis Hassabis, and they criticize the film for not pressing those executives hard enough on some claims and answers. The theatrical release is March 27th.
So if someone watches it, what's the healthy mindset?
Treat it like a window into how leaders frame the story, not a substitute for verification. Documentaries can be great for narrative and risky for nuance. If your critical thinking feels underused, it's not broken, it's just unemployed.
All right. Big money chasing real-world robotics, ARM pushing into data center silicon with Meta and OpenAI in the mix, and a documentary that's sparking debate about scrutiny versus storytelling.
The common thread is confidence. Investors, chip makers, and leaders all betting that agentic systems are becoming operational, not theoretical.
If this helped you calibrate your AI week, share it with a coworker who lives in Slack and spec sheets. Thanks for listening to XPulse AI Morning Mix.
Catch you next time.